So today is going to be a special video for you guys. It's going to be something new. I never do things like that. I never do open boxes or anything here on my channel. But this is going to be something very special for me because I'm a subscriber on the Boxycharm right here, you guys. So this one is the March Boxycharm. I start my subscription on February, but it already passed, so I'm just going to talk about the March subscription and I'm going to show you what I get, and also we are going to try out some of the products that we just can wear right now with the makeup look that I have. So if you guys are not part of this family, don't forget to go to the red button right there and subscribe to my channel. Turn that notification bell and you guys can get notifications every time I upload a new video, and it's going to be awesome for you guys and it's going to be awesome for me as well. So please go subscribe and then keep it watching. The subscription for the Boxycharm, I guess it is around $24. I'm going to check because I want to be like very accurate with you guys, and I want to really give you good information about it. Okay, it's $25 and you just get the regular Boxycharm. They have different Boxycharms as well. They have the I think it's the like the premium Boxycharm. They have the Boxycharm that gets like more like high-end products. You can get high-end products in this one, which is the regular one, that is $25, but not all the time. Sometimes you just get good products, sometimes you just don't. I was a subscriber on other boxes before, but this is my first time actually to be a subscriber on this Boxycharm thing. Okay, stop talking. We just talked too much and we are going to open. This is how it looks. It's very small, very tiny. Last month for February the Boxy was like a little bit bigger, and it was because they sent a huge eyeshadow palette for Icon, and it is beautiful, which I filmed a video. You guys can wait for that one because I filmed a video creating a beautiful makeup look using that palette. It's so beautiful, and yeah, that's why. And also they send something like a gift or something like that, something for free. Most of the time they're like a 4 or 5 products, if I'm not wrong. But we are going to open that box right now. So here are the products that we get, and first I'm going to show you, we get this one, which is, I believe this is a makeup remover. It's the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melty Way Cleanser Balm, and it is cherry. Let's see. Oh, it comes with a little spatula right here. As you can see, it comes with this, which is very handy, and it's very kind of like yeah, it's a balm, like I say. Oh my god, it smells so good, and it looks like this right here. I'm already tried once and it smells so good and I like it. I tried it today once to talk a little bit about the product. It melts your makeup so fast and it doesn't like irritate my skin, nothing at all. It works perfectly. I really love it. And yeah, I don't know how much this retails for. Let's check for how much it retails. We just can go on Google and see, because I like to see. Okay, this one is the Pharmacy. That's the name of the brand. Pharmacy makeup makeup remover. Okay, Pharmacy makeup removal. And I like to go to the page. So let's see. Okay, it retails for $22, which is a good price. $22 right here plus $3. That's how much you pay for the bus, $25, and you get this one is $22. Already is worth it. So that's a good thing about it. We are going to try that. I'm planning to make a video using this one and show you guys what I think about it. It says that it's limited edition, and it's made exclusively for Boxycharm. Okay. If you guys, I can talk about it a bit. Gentle massage onto dry skin for eye makeup removal. Apply to closed eyes. Rinse with warm water or wipe it off with a damp washcloth. That's what I did. It works perfect. Love it. The second thing that I get, it was this one. It is eye cream from Murad. That's the hydration eye cream. This is the hydrodynamic ultimate moisture for eyes, and Murad. Okay guys, let's see how much is this one. So this one is the Murad eye cream, and this one is the 0.5 ounces, and it retails for $70. It's the same ounces that I get here. This is the hydrodynamic eye cream. Oh guys, this is really nice. So happy with the box this month, and it looks like that. And it comes with a protector, which is for the cup, and it have a lot of cream right here. So you guys, you will get a lot product, especially if it's for your under eye. Never is too early to start using creams for under your eyes, because you don't want wrinkles. You want to give hydration to your under eyes. So beautiful. I say that it's a hydrodynamic moisturizer. What else I can tell you about it? And yeah, it's a hydrator eye cream. Not too specific. Yes, I'm sorry, I'm not too specific. And it retails for $17. $17. I always get like very confused with the numbers. The third thing that I get, it was this lip gloss right here. So this lip gloss, this one is from Vintage by Jessica Labiskin, and it looks like the, happy guys, my camera is catching everything, and the brush is like this, and that's how it looks. So beautiful. I like it. I'm not like a lover of glosses, to be quite honest. The only gloss that I like and is wearable for me is the one from Fenty Beauty. I'm sorry, the first lip gloss that she came out is the one that I love. So we see how it works with this one. That's something that we can try on. And the third thing that we get from the Boxycharm, it was this palette right here. So this one is the Living in Color palette by Hank and Henry. And I believe this palette retails like for $22 or something around that. You guys, I'm going to link everything down below, and also I'm going to link the link for the Boxycharm if you guys feel like you want to be a subscriber on the box. So this is how the palette looks. It looks like that. The colors are really pretty. They have like a very warm tones and a beautiful blue color, green color, and yeah, and like 1, 2, 3, 4 matte colors, and the rest are shimmer colors. So I will try to do a swatch for you guys, but it's going to take me forever if I do that. So yeah. So it's going to take me forever if I do that. So we're going to just try them out. I'm going to prep my eyes. So that's 5 products from the Boxycharm. 5 products. Really it's worth it because it's $25 that you pay monthly, and you get 5 products, and sometimes you just get 1 for free. And I mean, it's a good deal. If you think about it, it's a really good deal. So I'm going to do my makeup with you guys. I'm going to start by prepping my eyes. And the only product that we can use right now is the eyeshadow palette. So let's see what kind of look we can create. I'm going to apply a little bit of my concealer. And I'm going to blend here with my Sephora sponge. And yeah, I'm going to blend, 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 blend. Love everything. The palette is so beautiful. The palette is so beautiful. I'm going to apply the lashes, which is the next step, and I feel like we're done. You guys, this smells so good. It smells really good. Really good. So we're done. This is the final look, you guys. So yeah guys, this is the final look. Thank you to Boxycharm to have a beautiful box, because it really is working. It's worth it. This eyeshadow palette is so beautiful. It's a beautiful eyeshadow palette. You get 3, 6, 9 colors. Very you can mix them, you can play with this palette, like you can create any type of look that you want. If you don't want a shimmer, you can just create something like very like matte finish, because you have the colors right here. and they're like, the pigment is so beautiful. I want to play with this blue and this one right here and see what kind of look I can get from this. You can get like, I mean, like, you can get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 1,000 looks from this small little palette. The only thing is like it's a little bit bulky, like it's similar to the one that I get also from my February Boxycharm, which is the Fairy Tales. It's storybook cosmetics, because it's a little like, it's too big, but it's still working. And that's the second palette that we are going to try it out. Next video coming soon. So yeah guys, that's my Boxycharm. Like I say before, it's $25. You get beautiful products, you get good quality products for $25 monthly. It is worth it, because you go to Sephora and you're going to spend like $100 if you buy like 3 products, just 3, and here we get 5. So the only thing I didn't try, I guess it was the lip gloss, which we can try right now. I mean, this is the lip gloss. I don't want to do lip gloss today because I'm not a big fan of the lip gloss, but we are going to try the lip gloss. And I'm just going to pop a little tiny bit here so you can get the feel of the lip gloss. So it is okay, it is beautiful. I mean, it's a very, you know, like not too dramatic lip gloss. It smells nothing. The brand, I don't know about the brand. It's my first time using her lipsticks or things like that. So yeah, I don't have nothing else to say, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment down below. If you are not part of this family, subscribe. Go to the red button, click subscribe, comment down below. Go and turn on the little bell right there so you guys can get notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much to pass by on my channel. My name is Gina, if you are new on my channel. And yeah, bye guys, thank you so much. Again, muchas gracias por todo. Bye, nos vemos.